Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Now you're watching this video and you found this video because you're searching for a method on how to get Stardew Valley for free, and you can get this amazing game on every platform, so PlayStation, Xbox, PC, Nintendo Switch, Mac. So yeah, this is a super easy method to get Stardew Valley for free, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it. It takes around 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and this is going to get you a digital code that you can simply redeem on the platform you play on, and it's going to download Stardew Valley. And yeah, it's completely legit and of course completely free, so let's get into the tutorial and show you guys how to do it. So you can see here I'm using my mobile phone, so pick up your mobile, go to an internet browser. I'm using Safari, but it doesn't really matter what browser you use, and you have to go to this website, www.speedycoupons.com. so Speedy Coupons, and this is the ultimate source for coupons and game codes. So we need to find the page for Stardew Valley, so hit that search bar at the top and type in Stardew, and it'll pop up Stardew Valley free game code. Click on that page. You can see here, guys, there is hundreds and thousands of these codes left, so don't panic. If you find this video further down the line, there's still going to be codes left. There's loads of them, and you can see it's also been rated over 4,000 times, 5-star. So here is where you have to select which platform you want a copy of the game for. So you can see you can get Xbox, PlayStation, PC, Mac, Steam, or Nintendo Switch. So just choose which console. I play on Xbox, so that's what I'm going to be choosing. So tap on show code. Free digital copy of Stardew Valley for Xbox consoles. Now we need to basically, guys, unlock the digital game code that you can see here. Essentially, as you can imagine, these are pretty valuable codes, so there is a process to unlock it. But yeah, it only takes a few minutes. So tap unlock code, and yeah, we have to follow the instructions on the next page to get our game code. So here it says Stardew Valley code unlocker, and we need to follow the instructions here. So it says complete 2 of the free offers below, and you can see on my screen I have a list of free offers, and I need to select 2 of these tasks, follow the instructions below each of them, and fully complete them. And once I've completed 2, it's going to release my game code. So this one at the top says download and complete level 10, so I would have to click on it. This is a free game where I have to download it and then play it until level 10. So let me do these. I'm going to do that one at the top, and then I'm going to choose another one, and then I'll come back. Okay guys, so just went ahead and I completed those 2 tasks. So I did this one at the top, so I had to download Travel Town, and then I played it until I completed level 10, so it's important you follow the instructions. And then I went ahead and did the second one, this Family Island, where I had to do a similar thing, download the free game, and then I played it until I completed level 8. So that did take me around 10 to 15 minutes. But yeah, you can get different tasks. You may see surveys that you can complete, but they're all easy, and you just have to make sure you follow the instructions. Now press the tabs button, and if you've done everything correctly and you fully completed 2 tasks, you should see this Stardew Valley tab down here that contains your digital game code. So this code I can enter in on the Xbox website or on my Xbox itself, and it's going to add Stardew Valley to my library, so it will download a digital copy of the game for completely free. So you need to get your personal code, guys, because these codes can only be used once. So go to speedycoupons.com, and yeah, pretty easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or need any help, leave them in the comment section below. Always willing to help you guys out. Enjoy playing this amazing game, and smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.